bite you, those bites can get infected.
It's true.
Black-headed python.
Oh, that's a pretty one.
They hiss at you as well. Very pretty. They get very big. And to have them as a pet, you got to have a permit, but they cost a lot of money.
I bet.
All right, we'll let him go, eh?
Beautiful black-headed python. Let's see how he's down the road.
Hey, look at that.
Oh!
Brother.
They get pretty big too. There, that's a crocodile. Big one. In the deep. Into here. Another one. That's a big croc. From late.
Got him. Oh, good job, man.
A lot of practice.
It's a perfect shot, too.
Shot, yeah. Back of the neck. Young one, good eating. And yeah. Frog, a bit jumpy. You know. So that's good size, good eating size.
Yeah, look. Oh, it looks good. What are those things on its throat? The two black things on its throat.
That's the other eyes. Crocodile got 4 eyes. They got sensors on the bottom.
They can tell like movement.
Movement and that in the water. Tuloy, yellow orang uppe. Tuloy. Teka tuloy rat kia.
Glass.
Why, yeah, No, it's rope.
Okay.
From his shorts.
Yeah, use a belt.
Look at his eyes.
Yeah.
Still wide awake.
See this?
That's big. I just wrap him a bunch with my belt.
So we can pull the thing out.
And don't let him go, that's my only belt.
No. Like it though. And usually we can, in the car I've got some stuff, we can tie his feet up.
Can I watch out for mother one?
Since Chico speared it, he gets the best bit of the tail.
Yeah.
Yep.
Like turtle.
Like turtle, if you spear the turtle, sea turtle, you get to choose the best bit. Yep.
Makes sense. Makes sense.
So like with the buffalo we shot, Chico, because I've got plenty of food at home, Chico wanted the eye fillets. That's the best bit of the buffalo.
Yeah.
Soft bit.
Leg, backstrap.
I get why you can throw these. Very light.
Yeah. See, you want to hold him? Be careful. He will flick around and watch his bum.
Oh, you gotta hold him tight.
Hold him tight.
Hold him tight so he doesn't wiggle.
Feel like real crocodile Dundee.
Yeah, pretty cool.
And see, you're interested in before, if you flip him over, see it's like it's got sensors there.
Yeah.
There and
They were all buggy, they were all bugged out.
Doesn't that have like the water sensors against his eyes, like right there or something?
yeah, I think there's sensors all over it, along him.
You wanna hold it, Luke? You held a crocodile before?
Come on.
Oh, yeah, I will. You want to film
Come on.
Sure.
It's not. India food. Very dangerous about.
There you go, big one. Oh, he's soft. He's gonna taste good.
Good eating soft.
That was a good shot, man.
Right in the neck.
That was like
No hesitation.
That was a really good shot.
And they got 2 eyelids. 2 eyelids. When they're underwater, they can still see. Like the goggles.
Oh, there we go. There you go. That was tarpon. That was fun.
Sekarang aja di proyek coklat mam. Pas na muk na. Numalang das pas numalang. Bago matukoy kat mam. Sini tuh yang besar yang berani. Oh man dah. Nana yang orang. Alah.
Gonna borrow?
No. I will try another spot. We'll go upstream, check for crocodiles, and make our way back down. Keep fishing. Up with that.
Borrow? Mana boleh?
Kuna tol. Malmo.
Pandai. Mana boleh?
Ada kan ada baru. Ada kan ada tol. Tol crocodile. Kaya orang urlel.
Paling urul.
Turn around, go back, and flick.
So this is pretty much furthest you can go on the Glide River, just up to that tree line up there. That's it. So when you look on Google, this is the part of the Glide River system, fed by the Arafura swamp. And this river goes for about 40 plus kilometers to the mouth, to the salt water.
Oh, it's a beautiful area.
We'll go down this, see you in a second.
Oh, double snake there, double hook. Oh, good para. Yep.
Double hook up.
There you go. Nice. Woo. My first Australian barra. Nice fish.
Luke, I've got mates that lived in Arnhem Land for 7 years and never caught one.
Yeah, they're beautiful fish.
Hell yeah. He swallowed that good.
Yeah.
Yo, the bail, the one.
Before I get feeling too cocky, you got to see the size of Joe's here. Oh, it's like bring your kid to work day, and I caught the son and he got the father. There you go. We'll put him in the. Oh, nice mess of fish.
Luke,
Yeah.
congratulations,
Oh,
first
thank
barra, mate. Good work.
Thank you.
Any last word, Joe?
Just get some meat. Berlarmar, pun ramalain. Haul malaki na mo. Non straight up, karali ben maling kadirion. Berlarmar. Come, one day malaka left level, berlar. Haul malaki na mo, haul. Una bala, berlar.
What away?
Go, straight up, straight up. Left. Berakin, cuy. Ya gol.
Ma. Good.
Nice.
410. That's the count.
There you go.
What's the gills?
Gills are sharp, yeah.
Yeah. Thanks, Mark.
Oh, there you go.
Another one? Oh, bigger one. Nice.
Oh, do you have a gap or anything? He's barely hooked. There you go. Yeah, he was
Barely hooked.
Yeah, he just a little. Oh, not a bad fish.
There you go, another one.
Look at that. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm making him all sorts of a mess.
No, good. I'm used to it.
Double ending. Crocodile. Ending right there. Okay. Here he comes. Coming up.
The big one.
Oh, that's a big one.
Mark, where did it go? Mana, you still got him?
In there. Hey, the fish grips right there.
I didn't understand all that, but I thought I heard fish grip.
That's the one. Come around.
Oh,
Perfect. Good work, Luke. Just watch you flick your wrist.
there we go.
Yeah, I'll just pop that off. Look at that. That was just in his lip.
There, Joe, hold that sucker off.
Freshwater barramundi caught on the Glide River, Arafura Swamp.
Oh, beautiful fish.
Beautiful.
Well, he's got maybe 20 pounds on him.
Yeah,
I
roughly.
think that's
4,
about 10
5,
kilos?
yeah,
8
roughly.
kilos?
About 8 kilos, a little bit heavier. Beautiful fish.
Nice. Look at a big old mouth on him.
Yep.
Nice.
Mark, where did it go?
There you go.
Yep.
Time to dwarf all the other ones. Oh. Now when you see a water buffalo, you have to like run out. You went fast or you go real slow and quiet?
Very quickly. Locally shot as soon as possible.
Kangaroo, there, oh, get up.
See any?
Kangaroo.
You see it, saw a kangaroo?
Yep. We shot 3 yesterday. 3 kangaroo and chopped them up, ate them down at the where we go tomorrow.
Water buffalo, right in there.
Oh,
Yeah, there he is.
oh, good eye.
Two of them.
Yeah. Yeah, what about like that?
I think you hit.
There's a bunch in there.
Big buff. Một tia ra rồi.
It's dead. Woo! We got one.
Down buffalo.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, geez, that's bigger than I thought. Did he get hit in the butt?
I think I got a Texas heart shot there. That right there is a water buffalo.
And they just introduce species.
Nice.
He's a young bull, but destroy the land.
And they have no predators here, right?
Nothing. Big croc will grab him, but we don't really see crocs grab big animals like this. They're so powerful.
Oh, that's it. You guys can bring the truck over. Oh,
Yeah,
that's
so we're chopping
nice.
it all up and put it on. We get a fire going in a minute.
All right, boys. Hey, you guys go get some firewood.
Wait, put the
My job.
Yeah. Make a big pile of firewood. Just watch out for snakes. Every time, watch us kneel down a little bit.
I have your slingshot.
Yeah. That's cool. Smile. All right.
Alright, let's get this.
All right.
Yeah, I'll just start boning him out, take most meat. The skin down here will be about that thick. So the best way to use a knife is not cut like that. So if you cut like that, you might as well throw your knife away. The skill is to sharpen the knife. So feral animal management, the rangers actually get funding from NT government to go out and wipe a heap of them out.
Oh, it's a feral animal.
Yep.
Here, everybody just dig right in there.
Jump in, mate, hack in there.
There we go. Get a little piece. Yeah, look at that. Big old heart.
Oh, dang.
Tommy, shot through the heart. You're to blame.
You give love a bad name.
Yes. Trade them all. Oh, tasty.
All right. Okay. Saving the GoPro. Yeah.
Anyone have like a saw?
Yeah, everyone's like watching me just struggle to put a piece of meat on a stick.
Nice.
This carcass, there'll be nothing left of it in 2 days. Just the horns and a few bones.
Hey, you eat pig? Crispy.
Ya kayak kawan deh. Coba ngai loy. Dual. Tu bala mar kali cujuk kurma.
Oh, look.
It looks crispy.
Yeah. Kajul le.
And when we go down to the Billabong, there'll be hundreds of buffalo.
Fat and meat.
Which part of the buffalo is that?
Ribs.
What do you think?
They're not bad. I mean, it's chewy. It's a leg piece, but it tastes closer to beef than other wild meats I've had. I mean, this doesn't taste like moose or caribou. It tastes a lot like beef.
Oh, yep. Tap on. Tap on. Yep. Got refreshing.
You fishing for crocodiles?
Fishing for crocodile. So he used to bite.
You gotta chum them in.
Dino. You got it. Oh, what'd you catch? A muesli bar. Oh, another barra. Nice. Yep. Nice work. Pull around on the motor.
Woo!
Oh, there we go. Number 3.
Then how much then?
Oh, there you go.
Oh, another good barra. Sorry, I'll get out of your way, Luke. Yep, that's better.
It's not a bad fish. Nice. It's easier to catch up when you guys are stuck on the nose of the boat.
That's it.
Look at that. That's nice, Barramundi.
Look at the color. Look at the color.
Look at that. Nice
Coloration.
fish. Woo, they jump. They're really nice. They're fun fighting fish.
Yeah, fun.